going to be climbing this 95-degree incline. Here we go. And this is a deadbolt, axial deadbolt. A little bit of slippage. "95-degree incline." Go back down. This shit is steep. I'm not. The Axial 10 honcho trail hogs, that they couldn't do it. We're gonna do it one more time and show that we can do it with ease. Sorry, I do not have my body on. I lost the kingpin to it. What's he doing right now is drying off tires, so it's muddy. And this thing is completely stock. Nothing on its aftermarket. And it will flex on 2 pop bottles, just stock. Or not 2 pop bottles, but 2 cans of pop bottles. Or 2 cans. Here, we're going to show you the flex here. And that's pretty good for stock. It's a 4-link suspension. All stock. Hope you enjoy this video. Subscribe below.